Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're finally doing something that I've been avoiding, but I think it's time because hopefully I did things correctly in sealing this thing up again. It's been pouring rain all day. I've never camped in the tiny house when it's raining except for that one time, and then it started leaking on me, and then I woke up to like a puddle on my face of water from the roof. It was really cool. It was a great time. Oh my god, and it's right there too. I have to go home and put a tarp on the tiny house. This is really bad. Like really, really bad. Oh god. The tiny house is the perfect rig to camp in because it is already super peaceful and cozy inside. Adding the rain to it, I think we're in for a treat. I'm very excited. It's been raining all day, and currently right now it's not, which is actually fantastic for this moment. But then it's going to pick up. It says light rain for the next hour, but I mean, it has legitimately been raining all day. It says it's gonna stop at like 3 or 4 a.m. So should be raining pretty much the entire time, which is fantastic. I'm looking forward to it. It's already been raining all day, so let's see. Hi, Skye. Say hi to the people. Yeah, she's on an adventure right now. I always wonder what's going through her brain. Like, what are you thinking about? Okay, bye. Oh, it's starting to come down a little bit. Good timing. Here comes the rain. It's just starting up right now. I'm sure it'll be a little bit on and off. I'm sure it'll start being consistent eventually though, but Skye's on the bed. Of course. Side eye. Look at those side eyes going on. Hi, pretty girl. You're so cute. I have a few concerns. So when I came in, this top blanket wasn't on and it was just like that, like it was just the top of the mattress. And it looked like water was sprinkled on it, but it wasn't like a puddle. I was like, maybe I came in and kind of hit some of it with my leg. Then I see this. I feel like it doesn't take rocket science to know that that's, compared to that, that is definitely some water damage. But that doesn't make sense because the water was on this side. So I look up. There's like some, so there's definitely like some water getting in. Right there and right there. But those are the only spots that I can see. You know what this tiny house has been? A money pit. What do I, the main issue is winter's coming up, and a lot of the products and the stuff you need to seal and waterproof things, it has to be like a certain degrees. Like, I'm in sweatpants and a sweatshirt today. The temps are dropping, fall is here, summer's gone. I don't have a heated shop where this tiny house can be put in and worked on. So I'm kind of stressed out about what I should be doing. If you have any products, recommend them down below. That's a huge bummer. I could be overthinking it, and maybe, no, that's definitely water damage. I don't know why I'm trying to talk myself out of this right now. We were doing so good. It's fine. Alright, well, I'm gonna go grab our cooking and whatnot supplies from the truck. Sit. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Go. Where are you gonna go with it? Go. She acts like I'm gonna steal it or something. She's going a little crazy right now. I'm so excited for dinner. I'm so excited right now. We got a very special dinner. If I could eat one like type of food for the rest of my life, it would either be Thai, Indian food, or American breakfast. Those are like my favorite. Mexican food's pretty up there too, but I'm just a sucker for breakfast food. I could eat breakfast food for any point of the day. So we're having a little breakfast for dinner tonight, and we're making some French toast. Pretty excited. This needs to be flipped. A little bit of some monk fruit brown sugar. Yeah. Tell me about breakfast food again. Some maple syrup on this, you know, a lot actually, because I love maple syrup. I would drink it. I would just straight up drink it. Okay. Let's go on for the first bite, because this is totally not going to taste like the best thing ever. Oh. Wow. I almost got either blueberries or strawberries, but I decided to just stick with bananas, because bananas are my favorite. This just like a banana Foster kind of vibe going on. This is unreal. The brown sugar like coated the banana. Oh, wow. 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 Folks, this one's gonna have to be a 10. This is incredible. And I'm very happy. I'm a happy camper. Get it, you know? That was too easy.
Ready? Okay.
Oh, your breath smells like fish. I wonder why. Yummy treat. Don't be fooled, it is raining. It's just not raining hard enough that I'm gonna avoid the rain. Sometimes you just gotta embrace the rain. Skye, don't. No. Skye gets nervous if I'm not outside the tiny house or truck or whatever we're camping in with her. Like if I'm inside and she's outside, it's like for some reason not as fun for her. So I'm gonna sit outside and let her do her thing. Otherwise she will run back inside with me. She's a very personal space is non-existent when it comes to Skye. Non-existent. Personal space? No. Well, it's hurricane winds out here right now. I moved the trailer and the truck, and now we're like super leveled. I was gonna take the trailer off the truck, but look how leveled it is now. Look at that. You can't even tell me that's not leveled. That's talent right there, if you want to call it that. I was laying down eating my dinner and I was like, wow, this is weird. We are not leveled. And I was like, I'll just detach it from my truck. And I was like, or we can find a more leveled spot. This is that spot. Literally maybe 10 feet away from where we just were. So it's not that big of a difference. Just figured I'd update you guys though, because after I finished eating, I was like, yeah, I can't. I really got to do it. Just fix it now. This is the bed making process when Skye's here. When Skye's not here, I don't bother with this. It's gonna be cold, so call me dramatic, but the more blankets, the merrier. Oh, you're soaked. Oh no. Nope. Towel first. Oh, you're soaking wet, girl. Oh, wet dog, my favorite. Here, lay on this. Come in. I don't know what she's trying to achieve here. Look how she's like curled up on the pillow. Just gonna get down to 53 tonight, which is not that cold at all. It's not cold. But just in case, I brought the heated blanket because you didn't know. It's the best thing you could ever do. If you're out there in the winter, grab a heated blanket. I got mine for like 20 bucks. It's the best purchase I've ever made. It kept me alive in below freezing, negative temps, all the above last winter, so it feels good to have it out and about again. But the temps are dropping super fast up here in the north, and in no time it's gonna be below freezing temps again. I'm planning on heading up to Vermont, and it's in the 30s at night there already, which is so exciting. I'm so over the summer. I want to freeze to death. It's easier for me to warm up than it is to cool down. Once I'm hot, I'm hot. Once I'm cold, I feel like I can maintain my body heat better and deal with it better. It doesn't mess with me as much. Like, the heat gives me like fog brain and everything. I don't know. I'm not into it. So it feels good to be whipping out the heated blanket again. Hi guys. She's so cute. I'm so in love with her. It's really bad. Last thing to say before I go to bed is I'm doing a Q&A, quite possibly. I just get so many requests to do Q&A, so I'm considering doing a Q&A video. I already posted this on Instagram and then the YouTube community tab page. But if you have any questions that you've been dying to ask me, or something that I just haven't answered for whatever reason. Is that foggy the whole time? Anyways, let me know in the comments down below. Drop your question. Just be like, Q&A, Becca, question, and then whatever. Like, write your question so I know it's not like a question about the video. You just want me to answer it in the Q&A. Yeah, let me know if you also want to see Q&A. I'm considering it. Definitely considering it because I got a lot of questions. So, anyways, I'm going to hit the hay, get some rest. I was super tired about an hour ago, and now I'm not, so I'm going to try to tire myself out. I love you guys. See you in the morning. Oh, spooky. Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? Rise and shine. I'm craving an acai bowl. Good morning. Hi guys. Are you? I think you're camera shy. I think that's what it is. I know. Come on. Oh. Good girl. Whew. It is just still pouring out too. All right, let's hit the road. That was so dramatic. Yeah. Let's hit the road. It's not what I didn't mean to come off that way. Sorry. Yeah. Let's hit the road. than I would normally... That was not English. A little bit earlier than I would normally eat during the day, but this is gonna fill me up until probably dinner. Are you okay? Yeah. 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 That's the key to my heart. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode as much as I did. It is still pouring rain out. Pretty crappy. It's gonna be raining for the next like 2 days, or no, 1, 2, 3, it was 4 days raining in a row. I think tomorrow is the last day of full rain, which is nice because I'm just kind of, I love the rain a lot, but too much of it or too much of anything isn't good. So anyways, I had a blast. Guy had a blast. Ate some good food. It's freezing out and I'm having frozen acai, so that's fun. Should definitely warm me up. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll catch you beautiful people on the next one.